Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will delve into a simple and effective modification for those who love to customize the appearance of their desktop. If you are one of those people who enjoy a clean, simple, and elegant desktop layout, or you are in the process of formatting your Windows 11 desktop to make it look perfect, I will show you how to make the Windows 11 taskbar completely transparent. And although there is a transparency effects option in the Colors section of the Settings app that slightly changes the taskbar to a transparent state, it does not make the taskbar completely transparent. So I will use a lightweight tool called TranslucentTB. It is free, quick to set up, and available directly from Microsoft Store. Open Microsoft Store to get the TranslucentTB add-on. It is officially available in the Microsoft Store, making it safe and easy to install. In the Store search box, type the name of the tool TranslucentTB and search for it. Searching for the application ensures that you download the official version from a trusted source. Once you find the tool, click on the Install button. Installing the application is easy and takes only a few seconds, as the application is lightweight. Once finished, the button will change to Open, and you will also see a notification informing you that the application has been installed. Click on Launch to run the application, and you will notice that the taskbar automatically turns transparent. You can close the Microsoft Store, and on the TranslucentTB welcome page, click on Continue button. Now you have a completely transparent taskbar, and the application allows you to control the transparency or opacity of the taskbar. You can also choose other effects, such as blurring or color changes. If you want to access the application, you will notice the application icon in the system tray in the lower right corner of the screen, near the clock. Right-click on the TranslucentTB icon to open the Settings menu. First, make sure that the Open at Boot option is selected to ensure that the application runs automatically when the Windows starts. We also have several options, such as the Desktop, where you can show the taskbar borders from the menu that appears. Also, you can customize a distinctive color for the taskbar through the Accent Color feature, through which you can set your preferred color. There is something I would like to say, is that when updating Windows, it may break the functionality of the application. So check for any available updates for TranslucentTB whenever you download a Windows update. A great and very useful application that gives your desktop a cleaner and more elegant look. Whether you are someone who enjoys customizing your desktop or you just want your setup to look more professional, this is a great way to improve the overall appearance. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I see you in the next video.